Welcome to a new video from the HazloEasy channel. With the traditional way of folding the underpants, this happens to us, that when we are going to take one of them, they fall apart, and the others are disassembled. Our drawer in the end becomes a disaster. But we are going to show you two ways of folding the underpants so that this doesn't happen. They work very well. Two ways are very easy and quick. The first is as you are seeing, and the trick is to take the bottom part of the waist inside to make a package like this, which does not fall apart at all. Take a look at how it looks. We start with the second way. You have to make a fold like the one you are seeing. Then we fold on one side, fold on the other. We roll from the bottom up, and at the end what we have to do is to unfold the fold so that we have a package like the one you see, similar to the one before, and that does not fall apart. Did you get the first one? Don't worry, we are going to repeat it with another type of underwear. Be careful. So easy and quick. I hope you liked it. We leave you on the screens other ways to fold clothes, subscribe to our channel, and watch the interesting videos there. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.